Hey everyone, I'm Nina, and I'm here to tell you how to winterize your in-ground pool all by yourself without hiring a pool closing company. You can do it all for a one-time purchase of under $50, and all you need are three things: a SkimLock, a bungee plug, and an ordinary household shop vac. Today I'm going to show you how to close up your pool for winter and save yourself thousands of dollars.
I ordered both of these products on winterizeyourpool.com.
The whole bundle was only $49.95 with free shipping. They were
Made in the USA.
patented and developed by a professional pool builder. So the cool thing is you actually do not need any tools to use either of these products. And the first one we're going to use is SkimLock, and it's going to seal up your skimmer. You're just going to take your SkimLock, pop it in the front of your skimmer, push, and then reach around and pull the lever until you hear it click. So the next step is we're going to close up your return line using Bungee-Plug. It's called Bungee-Plug because it's got this stretchy bungee strap that keeps it watertight. So we're going to take the Bungee-Plug and we're going to thread it into the return line and just hand tighten it. And then we're going to move on to the next step. It's really important to note that by using the SkimLock and Bungee-Plug pair to winterize your pool, you do not have to lower water levels. You can actually keep all of your water in your pool. So now that the skimmer has been plugged with SkimLock and the return line has been plugged with Bungee-Plug, we're going to take a shop vac in blow mode and we're going to take out your skimmer basket, put it in, and when we turn it on, what's going to happen is it's going to pressurize and blow air through the pipes and through that one-way bungee plug, leaving the pipes completely free of water. The pool is now isolated from your pipes, which means there will be no freezing of your pipes for winter, and your pool is winterized. So let's do it.
Turn the shop vac on. When you see a constant stream of air bubbles coming out of the bungee plug, you can turn off the shop vac. The bungee plug will close and seal automatically, and your pool is now winterized.
For added peace of mind, if you want to, not necessary, but you can go and get food grade antifreeze or RV antifreeze sold at any big box store, and you can dump a gallon into your skimmer. That way you ensure that any moisture, anything that may get left in there doesn't freeze. It's not necessary because this process actually blows out all of the water that you need, but it's an option. So that's it. We just closed the pool in 10 minutes for under $50 using a SkimLock and a bungee plug. You can get them both in a bundle on winterizeyourpool.com for $49.95 and a money-back guarantee.